Hi everyone, it's Oishi here. In this video, I am going to show you how I made this tiered eyelet skirt that's perfect for spring and summer. I used about 2 yards of this cotton eyelet fabric that I will cut out in rectangular shapes. Here are the pattern measurements. I used a cotton jersey for the lining. I am going to use a French seam method to join all the sides together. The ruffle layers are going to be one long joined rectangle. Now I'm going to shear the bottom 2 ruffle layers. After that, I'm going to top stitch the ruffle layers directly on top. Now join the lining waistband to the self waistband like so. Attach the skirt lining at the waist seam as well. After that, sew the waistband to the skirt and stitch like this to make tunnels for the elastic. I'm using 2 half-inch elastics, but you could use a wider one. After closing up the elastic opening, we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye!